Cinnamon is in her tank, in her new tank. And now she's going around exploring a little bit. She has a hide on this side. Now she has one over there too. And now she's over here and she's looking around.
She's measuring.
She's trying to see what's what. And we're still planning on getting her some more things like a branch, which she actually likes to perch on, and you know, there's enough space to add a couple of more things. But she has a nice big dish to soak in, which she didn't have before. Her old dish was getting kind of small. And there she goes. She's
gonna go in the new one.
I don't know, but she has some of that brine substrate on her mouth. Big props to Brian Barczyk. We buy his coconut fiber substrate, and she seems to love it. And there she goes. She's looking around. I mean, it was about time, because I mean, if you see how long she is at this point, she's almost reaching her the end there. Cinnamon, what are you doing? Girl, what are you doing? Where are you going?
She's going up.
Where are you going? Well, she's exploring, which is nice. It's about time. But yeah, so she's got a little bush over there.
There she's gonna fall backwards. Oh no, she caught herself.
And Cinnamon. And she's got her little branch up there.
Just the light from above, the divine holy light. No, stop.
Okay, Cinnamon, what are you doing, girl?
I like this better because we can get closer to her.
Yeah, and it's like I said before. While I was setting up, it's so much easier to get her out now. Before, we would have to take like all of the stuff off of the lid, which is like all of that stuff. We would have to take all of that stuff off the lid, just to take the lid off, to reach in and grab her, and then put the lid back on. And now we just slide the doors open. There she goes, running back into her hide. Well, not really running, I guess. But there she goes. Alright.